Hi kindergartners, we are back. We're going to do some sight word review. I got a new sound for you and we'll blend some words, okay? Here we go. Okay, here's our sight words. And we have quite a few because I think I left a couple off last week. Okay, get ready. This word is off. What word? Yes, off. Spell off. O-F. F word. Off. Good job. This word is take. What word? Yes, take. Spell take. T-A-K-E word. Take. Very good. This word is out. What word? Yes, out. Spell out. O-U-T word. Out. Very good. There's a D. There's a C in my D. Get ready. This word is day. What word? Yes, day. Spell day. D-A-Y word. Day. This word is there. Like that is their house. What word? Yes, there. Spell there. T-H-E-I-R word. There. Very good. This word? Yes, put. Spell put. P-U-T word. Put. And this word is to. Like, I want to go to. Okay, so it means like also. All right, what word? Yes, to. Spell to. T-O-O word. To. Very good, kindergartners. Okay, let's talk about sounds. All right, we have a new sound here, and it is the TH sound, okay? I'm going to have you watch my mouth when I say the TH sound. The TH sound says th. So did you see what my mouth did? My tongue goes between my teeth and I blow. Okay, the TH sound says that sound. Good job. It's different from the sound for F. The sound for F looks like this. My top teeth go on my bottom lip and then I blow. This is F. This is TH. Okay, kindergartners, let's practice it. What sound? Yes. What sound? Yes, ch. What sound? Yes, E. What sound? Yes, sh. What sound? Yes, th. What sound? Yes, ah. What sound? Yes, I. What sound? Yes, ch. There's a C in my sound. D. What sound? P. What sound? E. What sound? What sound? K. And what sound? Shh. Very good, kindergartners. Okay, I'm going to write some words that have our sounds in them so we can blend those words. Are you ready? You see if you can figure them out while I'm writing them. Okay, there's one of them. Okay, here's my last one. All right, kindergartners, let's start up here. Remember what our new sound says. Let's blend it. Ank. Word? Yes, thank. Very good. This is the sound we've been working on. What sound? Yes, ch. In. Word? Chin. Very good. There's a C in my D. Get ready. D. Eep. Word? Deep. Very good. Get ready. What sound? Shh. Eep. Word? Sheep. Very good. And one more. Is. Word? This. Very good. Kindergarten. You guys did awesome today, okay? We will see you tomorrow and we'll practice some more. Bye.